Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off Among Us notifications. So let's get started. First, launch Open Settings on your mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on it. Now select Manage Apps option. Scroll down until you find Among Us option. Tap on it. Scroll down a little and then tap on Notifications option. To turn off Among Us notifications, disable Show Notifications option. And this is how you can turn off Among Us notifications. Thanks for watching Gaming Explained. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.